How to live stream a file in YouTube for free with OBS Studio. These are instructions for OBS Studio for live file streaming in YouTube. 1. Open OBS Studio. 2. Click on the plus sign in scene. 3. Name the scene, for example, put archivos. 4. Click on the plus sign of sources. 5. Click on the plus sign of media source. 6. Choose Create New and name it Archivo 1 for example. And check the box Make Source Visible. Click OK. 7. You will see the Properties window. If you don't see it, click on Archivo 1 in Sources and it will come up. Check the Local File checkbox. Check the Loop checkbox. Check the checkbox Restart Playback when source becomes active. Check the checkbox Show Nothing when playback ends. 8. Add file by clicking Browse and find it in your computer. 9. The file appears on the screen. 10. You have to adjust the size of the screen. 11. Click on Settings in General. Check if the boxes are like in the screen. They have to be like in this screen. 12. Click on Settings under Stream. Choose YouTube RTMPS. And connect to your YouTube account. 13. Click on Settings, click on Output. Verify the data. Set 5000 kbps in video bitrate. And put 192 in audio bitrate. And set MP4 in recording, in case you want to record what you will be streaming live. 14. Click on Settings in Audio. Verify the data. 15. Click on Settings under Video. Verify the data. 16. Click on Settings under Hotkeys. Verify the data. 17. Click on Settings under Advanced. Verify the data. 18. Sound. Remove the sound of the microphone of the computer that comes out. Leave only the sound of the video. 19. A window appears, click on Manage Broadcast. 20. A window appears. Enter the title of the video. Put description if you want here, if not then you will do it in YouTube. Put Not for Children to get paid more. And verify the rest of the data. Click on Create Broadcast and start streaming. 21. A window appears, wait. 22. It's ready, the video is now live on YouTube. Woohoo! 23. Go to YouTube, look for the video in the Live tab. 24. Click on the video and finish filling in the content, publish now.